Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to download a Google Sheet spreadsheet as an HTML file. Alright, so as you might know, you not only have the option to export and download Google Sheets spreadsheets as Excel, CSV, PDF files, but you also have the option to export and download Google Sheet spreadsheets as an HTML file. And it's really easy to do, so all you have to do is open up the sheets you want to download as an HTML file. In this example, we can use this project management sheet, and all we have to do is click on File, then select Download, and from this option, as you can see, you have TSV, CSV, PDF, ODS, and XLSX, but we also have HTML, so as a web page. So click on that if you want to download this spreadsheet in an HTML file format, and then you have to select the folder you want to download this to. And once it's done, it will download this Google Sheet spreadsheet, as you can see, in a zip file format, and you will see that it will create separate HTML files for all the sheets in the Google Sheet spreadsheet, or for all the tabs in the Google Sheet spreadsheet workbook, and then you can use this in any way you want. So now this is how you can export and download a Google Sheet spreadsheet file as an HTML file. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our complete Google Sheets function database or our Google Sheets shortcut keys ebook for free and other Google Sheets resources and Google Sheets templates, then make sure to check the links in the description below. Also, if you want to learn more about how to use Google Sheets, make sure to check out our YouTube channel and playlists, where you have a ton of tutorials, and more Google Sheets tutorials are coming up, so also make sure to subscribe.